Hello guys, welcome back to the bench, and just a quick video to announce the winner of the Vallejo box set. Hold on, let's get this out here. There we go. It's a heavy sucker. There we go. The winner was announced a week ago, but the person was overseas. A lot of people don't read the description. I guess I forget to say it. It's for U.S. residents only, in particularly on these larger pieces, but you know, I might be able to get away with smaller ones. The shipping has been brutal, and the first name I pulled, I believe he was from South Africa, and the shipping turned out to be, I even gave it a shot. I said, well, maybe if the shipping is reasonable, maybe I'll send it to him, but it was like $158 or $168 to ship it. So that puts me out about 300 change on the giveaway. So that's a little rich for my blood, but that's why I say, you know, a couple years ago, I could have shipped overseas easy, but the shipping costs have gotten completely out of hand. I purchased some stuff from overseas. Let me show you what I got. I got this gravity collar, but of course, they'll send you this stuff in a small box, you know. And when I do that, I only order like 4 bottles, and it'll come in a nice tiny box, you know. So I know that's reasonable, but to mail something like this is very heavy. Liquid is heavy, so. And that's why I says I'll be announcing another winner. And I just picked, I put the comment picker up. It did its little magic, and it chose, drum roll please, Randy. Now let's pronounce this right. Is it Lalaus? I'm going to say Lalaus because this would be loud with a D, right? Loud. Laus. Lalaus. Randy Lalaus. I just sent a comment before I turned the camera on to you to contact me. You can also, if you are watching this, you can also just go into the comments of the original video that I tested the paint. And my email is in all of my comments. You'll see it at the towards the bottom. Just click it. It's a Gmail account you can send me, and we'll verify it's you. And I know how to do that. We got that all set up. And that's it. That is the winner. And hopefully, Randy, I believe the algorithm I told to in the picker picked this time an American address. So I think we should be good with that. And with that said, that one is, let me get this out of the way, is all set, I hope. And I can ship that out to you this week, Randy. Please get back to me. Hopefully within a day. I like to get this thing shipped out early tomorrow, if not Tuesday. I like to do my shipping early in the week. And that is it for now. Just so you guys understand, I need you guys to watch my earlier video. It happened to have gone up at a rotten time. It went up at, I think it went up at like almost midnight or 11:30 at night, East Coast time where I live. And I don't think many people had a chance to see the video, which I feel bad for. The paint was really nice. It was the, let me grab a bottle here. It's right over here. Hold on, guys. It was the Aqueous, Mr. Hobby Aqueous Gundam colors. And I think they're over here somewhere. And I got... Oh, if you guys go watch the video anyway. The stuff was beautiful. It went on nice. I've checked the durability since then. And which is, you know, I checked it on camera and it's already incredibly durable. It turned out to be a super durable paint. So, really nice. Under $4 a jar. You can't beat it. So I would go ahead and invest in that. Great paint. Anything by the Mr. Paint line I think is great. And this is no exception. So go and watch my video. That got posted, I believe, yesterday. Or, well, almost yesterday. Early in the morning. I think late Friday. Early Saturday. So that's why I don't think as many people got to see the video. So go check that out. And I'm testing a few more things for the upcoming week. Well, actually, I'm testing some of my new colors there. I got 2 new colors in my lineup. Cherry Cola. Don't want to use the Coke name, right? Oh, can we get a... There we go. Cherry Cola. And Black Pepper Metallic. I think I showed that in a previous video quick. Here is... Look at that. Black Pepper Metallic. Is that beautiful? And this is the Cherry Coke. Now, it looks different over different surfaces. It's actually red. A very dark red. This is over black, and I'll show you what you get over a gray. Look at that. So you're going to get all kinds of effects depending on what it goes over. So cherry cola. My autofocus is playing with games with me today. There it is. Cherry cola and black pepper metallic. That's mine. All right, and I'm currently still working on the white paint test. I got one more bottle coming in this week, so the white paint test should go up late this week. I'm still resin casting these stones in black, so we're going to paint. We're going to brush paint over these to see how good these paints brush. I just got the G paint in. I got in this Oticon. I didn't have it in white before, so I'm trying to fill out the rest of the lineup of whites before I go ahead and do it. Also sent to me was this Hobbymio airbrush. I showed it previously. It does have the MAC valve, and it's a 0.3 millimeter needle. This is a very nice airbrush. I checked it quick with some water to see how it atomized, and it quickly shows that this could be a very, very nice airbrush. And so we will be testing this, and I'm hoping to test the new compressor I got, and I'm thinking I might give away both. That's why I say, guys, don't worry about this giveaway. There's many more to come, real nice ones, because I'm putting together a compressor and an airbrush combo. This is an incredible giveaway, so that one's coming up too. I'm going to be doing that. I might test both in the same video. That way it makes sense to give both of those away. This just came in, a little gadget I want to show you guys. Harder and Steenbeck. It says airbrush, but it's not. It is, see if we can get this focused, an air blower. It just blows air. It cleans off the dust on the pieces. Now, I know I like to do that with my airbrushes. Before you pull back and get paint, I blow off. But it's not as powerful. But this, it blows out a nice power punch of air. And it's gonna, see if we can get this to show up. See that? I mean, look at that. It's like a hose. So it blows the air really good. It gets the dust off. I put a splitter on the compressor, and so I can leave this running all the time. I can pick it up and just blow the dust off. And look what else it comes with. Look at this tip. Now, this replaces this tip if you want to get in even finer detail. And you take this off and put it on there. It's nice how it stores it too. I think that's pretty cool. It just keeps it in the handle here. And that's it. It's just an air blower to dust off the models before I go ahead and paint. Really cool. I think that's a nice little gadget. It wasn't expensive. I think it was under 40 bucks. I thought it was worth having. And I put the splitter on. I'll show you the compressor in another video. And we'll go from there. All right, guys. Don't forget, please, Randy, watching this video, contact me. In this video will be my email address. And you contact me, and we will get the Vallejo box set sent out to you. And that's it, guys. Just a quickie. Have a great rest of your Sunday. And I'm casting the rest of these stones tonight. So we will be plowing ahead with the white test, which should be next. And I'll also have a test coming up of some glass files, which are pretty impressive. I got some really nice ones. So we were going to go over that. And then I'm going to test these nippers behind me here, Hobbymio, and these Tamiya ones. And that's coming up too. A couple of tools to test. All right, guys. Anyway, congratulations, Randy. And don't worry, guys, if you didn't win this time, there's plenty more stuff to come, including a real good giveaway coming up in the not too near future. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. We're trying to reach that 50,000 mark of subscribers. It just seems like a goal that I'm trying to reach. And hopefully we do it sooner than later. And it looks like it's going that way because of you guys. You guys are great. Anyway, guys, have a wonderful rest of your weekend.